I've tried almost every hummus hack on Reddit over the past 3 years, and here's what I narrowed it down to create my all-time favorite super creamy homemade hummus with no oil. First, you want to start by soaking your chickpeas for at least 8 hours. Soaking them helps soften the skin and makes it easier to break down the chickpeas when cooking. Then, you want to way overcook the chickpeas until they're basically mushy and falling apart. And when you're cooking them, adding baking soda makes them get even softer. One popular thing I saw a lot of people mention was getting rid of the chickpea skins. In my opinion, it's honestly not worth the extra time. It doesn't make it that much more creamy if you follow the rest of the directions. One thing that really does make a difference is the order you blend the hummus in. When I first started, I used to add all the ingredients to the blender and blend it together. But that usually resulted in sort of a gritty texture that wasn't very pleasant. Blending the tahini, spices, ice cubes, and lemon juice first helps emulsify it into a paste. Then add the cooked chickpeas in and blend it until everything is completely broken down. You should end up with a super creamy hummus after 4 to 5 minutes. And the full recipe is in the caption below.